Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I got a Losi here, Tenacity DB Pro. I'm going to see what this looks like. Just came in. It says it goes 50 miles an hour. So let's open this up and take a look at it. Here's what it looks like on the back of the box. This thing's pretty hefty, a lot heftier than I thought it would be. Looks really good. It has a 3150 brushless motor, 4-pole, Spectrum radio, Spectrum waterproof servo. Looks like the same radio my LMT has. This is 21 inches long, 11.7 wide, 6 pounds without the battery. Let's open it up and take a look. Got my new X-Acto knife here. I got a new kit with all blades and different X-Acto knives and stuff. This is a heavy one. I got the Lucas version. Oh man, guys, look at that. That looks sweet. Take it out. Move this stuff here. This looks like the radio. Batteries. Yeah. Yep, this is the same radio as my LMT has. Works pretty good. Oh, but the dreaded button that no one likes, that turns on real easy. Here's the instructions. A couple little tools in there. An extra pinion gear also. Let me open this up real quick before I show you the buggy. They give you like an extra pinion. I wonder if that's a speed pinion maybe? Oh, the batteries are on here too. Let me get rid of that. Some stickers. Instructions. Looks pretty good. How to set the ESC up. $50 miles an hour. This thing's gonna be a beast. Let's take her out. Let me move this box, guys. Holy crow, she looks like a beauty. Check that out. That's sweet. Tires are nice, foam in them. Let's see what I need. I may need a cutting pliers. Yeah, let me get a cutting pliers. Alright, scissor may work. Just come right up. That's a hefty model, guys. Jesus. Check that beauty out. It's got running lights across the front. That's sharp looking too. Diff feels nice in it. Check the suspension. Look at that. Rich and creamy. It has to be like that because this one's pretty heavy, this vehicle. Let's do a drop test. Look at that. Nice. It's got full aluminum chassis. Let me get these out here. It almost reminds me of my Nitro 1/8 buggy. I think this says 1/10 scale, but it's like a 1/8 scale. Does it say 1/10? Let me see on the box here. Ready to run. I'm trying to find out where it says the scale on it. Oops, sorry about the noise. I thought I seen it said 1/10 scale. No? Just says, oh yeah, 1/10 scale. It does say that. I don't know what. Nowadays a 1/10 scale. I'm gonna get my buggy and show you how close it is to a 1/8 scale. This is my Nitro buggy. This is a 1/8 scale. Now look at that. They're the same exact size, so I don't know how they do this these days. They call 1/10 scale, and it's really a 1/8 scale. This thing's huge. It's the same as a 1/8 scale buggy. But that's, trust me, I'm not complaining. It's better that it's a 1/8 scale. It's nice. Let me put this beauty down. So there it is. All aluminum chassis. It's just like a 1/8 scale buggy. And the A-arms on it, holy crow, everything's monstrous. Really nice. Has two body clips here. Let's open it up. I don't know how this works. May have to unscrew stuff, I'm not sure. Oh no. Oh, look at that, guys. That's neat. Lifts right open. That's cool. Because I have one of those twin hammers, the Vatera, and it has a cage like this, and it looks kind of like this, but it's smaller. You have to unscrew like 13, 14, 12 screws, or who knows how many, just to get this lid off. But this is a good idea. 2 pins. Check that out. That was nice. Losi thought of a great idea. Brushless Esc. The switch here, I don't know. It's supposed to be stuck tape down there. Came off. We're going to re-stick tape it. Ooh, it's cold. It just came in, guys, and it was outside. It's like 20 something degrees. The chassis, I can't even hold it. It's frozen. But there's the battery. Hold down. That's nice. They put this little rubber thing on here so you can't lose nothing. I want to hear the pop of the motor if we could turn it. Sounds like it got good rotor in there. Has a lot of pop. This thing's gonna fly. They put the receiver right on the side of the servo. Little antenna, that's nice. This looks really good. Nice and beefy and strong like the 1/8 scale buggies. Has sway bars on the front and rear. That's awesome. The shocks are nice. They're solid aluminum. Really smooth. It's got the bigger connectors. I always use those Deans, so I'm going to have to see what I'm going to have to do with this. I may have to run these. I'm not sure if this will work on a Deans because I don't know how many amps this draws. I don't know what I'll do. All my batteries have the Deans on them, so we'll see what I have to do in the future. But This is cool. It folds down. That's nice. And again, it's got the rubber clips on there with the little, so you don't lose them. And they go right in. Except for I can't see, I'm blind. Yeah, they go right in. That's nice. You ain't gonna lose the clips here. Just like that. It's gonna look cool with the lights going across the front here. I don't know when I'm gonna get this beauty out. It's frozen over here now. So I'll have to get this out and try it one time. Look at the interior on it. It's detailed really nice. Even got like navigation screen in there. You guys probably can't see it. But take a close look at it. God, I don't believe the thickness of those shock tower, the holders for the shocks. Look at the size of the thickness on them things. Shock towers are strong. There it is, DB Pro. Oh, I didn't notice the back wing comes off also with body clips. That's cool. Well, there's my new ride, guys. I wanted to share it with you. I didn't have a Losi in a long time, and this is the only one I have other than my LMT. The LMT was pretty good and strong, so I just wanted to show you. I'll have to get out and run this sucker one time. Look at that. Nice. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this. One time you'll see me running it. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And also hit the bell so you don't miss any future videos. Leave a comment if you can. If you know anything about this and you could help me out with any tricks or anything, let me know. Because it's new to me. And I thank you guys for always watching and leaving comments. I appreciate you all. Thanks. We'll see you next time. Tenacity out.